everyone, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I've got a special video for you because not only am I doing 2 journal flip throughs, but I'm also introducing a new member to the My Porch Prints design team. Her name is Kyra. Say hi.
Hello.
And Kyra just happens to be my daughter. And I can tell you right now that she is a very creative person, and you're going to love some of the things that she'll be showing you, including a special series that she's going to be doing, and I'm going to let her talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to be doing a new series called What's in My Kit, where basically I just go through the new items in the shop and kind of take you through piece by piece what's in them and how they might be used, and maybe even give you like little tutorials on how certain things are folded. And then hopefully I'll be taking most of those kits and actually creating projects with them and kind of doing tutorials on that and flip through, so that there will be more content for the channel and more inspiration for everyone who wants to get new ideas for their own journals.
Yes, and we all love new creative tutorial videos. So we're really happy to have Kyra on board. And with that, we're going to take a look at Kyra's style and see what she's done. We have both used the Grandma's Kitchen junk journal kit from my Etsy shop, My Porch Prints on Etsy, and I'll put links down below for you.
Yeah, and there's going to be a What's in My Kit video on this specific kit as well.
Yes.
So look for a link for that down below.
Yes, so you can see what comes in this kit, and it'll give you some ideas on how you can use it. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and flip through these babies and take a look at what's inside. I guess I'm going to start with mine. So this is my take on the Grandma's Kitchen. And I just want to tell you right now that these cute little bowl of eggs was a sacrifice from Kyra. She gave me this so that I could use it for my journal, even though I think she wanted it for hers.
No.
But I love how cute it looks here on the
Great
front
on your
cover. And so inside, these are just some of the things that come with the kit. And it includes, you know, pockets and tags and all kinds of fun little stuff. And there's a lot of pages too. I'm gonna be stealing the show here because I get to go first, so it's all gonna be like old hat with yours.
I know.
No, I'm just kidding. Kyra's got a really cool take on it too. So, oh, I love this little kitten. I turned him into a little paper clip.
I love that little symbol.
And then I also cut out some pieces from the pages to make into tabs. But the good news about kits is that everything kind of already matches, so you don't have to struggle with, you know, what to include in it. And oh, this is a fun little page. I cannot remember where I learned this from, but I will try to find that out and put a link below so you can see how to do a page like this one. But I love the kind of accordion fold and the little tags and things. And then these are just more pieces, more little tags and little paper clips. And lots of pages in this kit. And this is kind of fun. I know that HOLTZ makes some of these little fastener rings, but I don't think this is actually the HOLTZ one. This is a different brand. And I'll try to find a link below. I'll link to one of those, either his or this one if I can find it. And this is just a CD case that was coffee dyed. I made a little tuck spot for this little guy back here. And more little tags. And these are bulb pins. Everyone always asks about these cute little pins with the fat bottoms. These are called bulb pins. I'll try to put a link to those below too. And one of the My Porch Prints group members sent me this pretty lace, and I just love it. So I like using that in my kit here. And I cut this little guy out just on a whim. I thought it'd be nice to have some kind of little apron, so I made kind of a paper doll style and just cut it out from one of the papers from the kit. Here's a little envelope with recipe cards. And this little guy is tucked back in here. This is kind of a fun little piece that I did. It's a little flip. I don't know if you can see all of it in the camera frame here. And then I thought these were really cute. These are made from little coin keepers for, you know, collecting coins. But they make cute little kind of specimen cards too. And I've got another one back here. Right? Nothing like little secret places to put things. And this is kind of fun. I made this from one of those envelopes you get in the mail with the see-through windows. But this is just kind of a fun way to see all the different things you can do with these kits. And there's probably a million more ideas, and you'll see some of those in Kyra's journal.
Yeah, we kind of have some
Similar styles.
We're using similar materials, but it's cool how you can see like unique ways of using the same stuff.
For sure. And last but not least, I got this little card tucked in here. And that is my journal. And now we gotta get a look at Kyra's journal.
Yay. Okay, so this is my take on the Grandma's Kitchen journal. So I went ahead and tied it close because it's kind of thick, so she's popping open a little bit. But we just went ahead and tied our pages in just because it's a little bit simpler and allows you to kind of reuse materials later if you want to.
Yeah, I love that about it.
So I went ahead and used one of those coffee dyed CD cases and just picked some dry herbs and flowers that were outside and went ahead and used that for my cover.
That's so cute. And do you have some rosemary in there?
Yeah, there's a little bit of rosemary, so it kind of smells nice. Okay, so inside I went ahead and used one of these little fasteners that, not quite Tim Holtz, but there will be a link to that below, and added a bunch of different recipe cards, little recipe cutouts from the kit. Just, you can take this off and add more on if you get more ideas.
Yeah, like a little tag flip.
Yeah. And this is one of those little coin pouches that come with the kit, and corner pockets, paper clips, and this folds out so you have more writing space on this page. Just more decorated.
And now where did you get the green? They might want to know.
Oh, these?
Yeah,
this
those came from
a
a fussy cut kit, my kitchen and baking fussy cut kit.
Oh, yeah.
And we used some pieces throughout from that kit as well. So I'll put a link to that kit below too.
Sure. And I think you were going to go ahead and do a freebie of the wood backgrounds.
This wood background is cute. It's got kind of a kitchen cutting board look. And I'm going to go ahead and put a freebie printable of this in my Facebook group. And I'll put a link to that below too.
Yeah. Well, I cut this out from one of the papers and went ahead and made like a little paper clip of the oven mitt.
Cute.
Just more little pieces of ephemera.
That's sweet.
This is an actual sugar packet that I put in here.
Sugar! That's literally sweet.
Literally sweet. Just kind of use some extra ephemera scraps to make this little.
Oh, sweet little dangle.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Goes in there on the dessert page. I really like the papers that come with this kit. I think they're really pretty.
They are.
This is just one of the envelopes that come with the kit, and you can get a closer look at all this stuff in the What's in My Kit video. Kind of do a breakdown of everything that's in there. There we go. I went ahead and made this little ribbon paper clip.
I love that. There's just something about trailing ribbons that just make the journal look so, I don't know, junk journaling.
Cute and fun. Tuck. All little pieces. And I went ahead and also used one of those coin.
Yeah, little coin keepers.
Yeah, coin keeper for my page tab. And then got a little envelope tied in with ribbon here. What kind of ribbon is this again?
Sorry silk ribbon.
Sorry silk.
Yeah, I love that. It's really versatile. Two more cards that come with it. That's S-A-R-I silk, not sorry, like I'm sorry.
Oh, I thought it was the other way. I would. Recipe cards. Fun. pages to write more stuff on.
Oh yeah, little notebook pages. Those are sweet.
Fancy page. Little charms and things.
That's cute.
More coin pockets.
The red check really
ephemera.
pops there. I love that.
And then this actually folds out to a trifold. And you've got this thing's like a little, this has a bit of a
secret
note in it. Bookmark tags.
And I love the little
stuff.
wax seal. That's cute.
Oh yeah, I just had to use that. I thought it
Yeah.
would be really fun. You've got little.
And those are
little
from
pieces.
the kitchen fussy cuts too.
Yes. And then I went ahead and made this little scrapbook here. Which I call it a scrapbook because I thought it was funny. And I actually keep little pieces of scrap in here that I might want to use in a different project or something.
So it's literally scraps. in your
Literally a
scrapbook.
scrapbook.
So that was our take on the Grandma's Kitchen Junk Journal kit, and a link to this kit and other items we talked about will be down below.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.